it's Jenna G. Welcome back to my kitchen. We are going to be making two super easy and super delicious desserts in the microwave. These desserts, actually the husband introduced me to them. So he's the sweet tooth. He's the one who just loves the desserts. Every time he eats, he has to have something sweet after. Just in general, he likes the sweet stuff. I'm more of the pepper mouth. Give me pepper, give me chow, peppery food, that's me. But you know, I could appreciate some sweet stuff now and then. And when he made this for me the other day, oh my goodness, it was the best thing ever. Before we jump into the video though, you know you have to hit the subscribe button and the bell notification button as well. The bell notification button is simply ensures that every time I post a video, you get a notification, so you get to check out the video once I post it, and of course share with all your friends and your family. So I'm going to be showing you guys two super easy desserts you can make in the microwave. So if you have a pack of Oreos, you'll grab it, get ready, because I know you'll want to try this after you see the video. And the next one, we're going to be using peanut butter. So for the peanut butter lovers, grab your peanut butter and let's make some desserts. So the two desserts we're going to be making, the first one we're going to be doing an Oreo cake, and we're going to be topping that with a 1 scoop of ice cream. So all you're going to be needing, Oreos, some milk, and I'm just going to use some chocolate syrup in it. You don't have to if you don't have it, it's totally fine. The second dessert we're going to be doing with the peanut butter cake, we need some creamy peanut butter, some granulated sugar, egg, and to top it off, I'm going to be using some ready whipped cream here. That's it, guys. So we're going to start off with the Oreo one. Actually no, we're going to start off with the peanut butter one first. So I'm cracking my egg into a microwavable, one of those small microwavable bowls. Then I am adding my sugar. Next, in goes my peanut butter. So you're just going to mix this up. So you want to take your time, mix it up. Peanut butter could be a little bit gooey. So once we've got it all nicely mixed up, we are going to be putting this into the microwave. So the peanut butter cake is out. I'm letting it cool and I'll show you guys after what it looks like. And now we're just going to be doing the Oreo one. So simple. So I've got a Ziploc bag. Now don't mind the color of this. This will be, we just used it before, and instead of throwing it out, I decided to just put it into the fridge. So it's all Oreo cookies that were in there that we made this exact same dessert ready with actually, and we just reuse the bag. So it's going to empty them in here. So I've got my rolling pin. Just going to roll it out. And of course you can use a mini chopper as well. So once they're nice and crushed up, all I'm going to be doing is emptying it into a bowl. Then I'm just going to be adding some milk. I'm just going to use my spoon and just mix it up. Then I am just going to be adding a little bit of the chocolate syrup just to the middle there. I'm going to pop this into the microwave and we're going to check out what they both look like afterwards. Alright guys, so this is what they look like. They were both in the microwave for about a minute and 10-15 seconds, a minute 15 seconds say. So this is what it looked like. I know they don't look so pretty looking, I will admit, but once you put the topping on it, you all will absolutely love it. So on this one, the peanut butter one, you should let it cool first though, so that they wouldn't be melting. I'm going to be adding my, oh yes, good stuff. And then on my brownie, on my Oreo one, I'm going to be putting some ice cream on top of it. And then drizzling it. Oh yes, you'll need to try these two delicious microwave dessert, guys. So this one is my peanut butter one, and this one is the Oreo one. My ice cream melting a little bit because it's still hot, but you know, so I have to show you guys. but you all need to try it. Put your favorite one scoop of ice cream on this. It is delicious. So this is what the peanut butter one looks like. Cakiness, good stuff. And then this one, my absolute favorite. Oh, this is so good. If you all like brownie and ice cream, you all need to try this one. So this is more like my kind. This is more like husband kind with the peanut butter. But this is too good. Alright guys, 2 desserts. Oreo cake and the peanut butter cake made in microwave. You peanut butter one, whipping cream, just whipped cream alone, and you're perfectly fine with that. Add some nuts or anything you want to top it with, just go right ahead. This Oreo one, so easy. Oreo cookies, milk, microwave, chocolate syrup if you have it, and top it off with your favorite scoop of ice cream. If you all know me, if you all follow me on Instagram, brownie and ice cream is like probably my favorite dessert item. A warm brownie with a 1 scoop of ice cream, the best thing ever. So this reminds me, this is like just like a brownie and ice cream for me. It's absolutely delicious. So like I said, you all need to try it out for sure. If you have peanut butter, if you have Oreo cookies, you have milk, sugar, egg. Certain and most of you will have those items in your house. Try it out for sure. If you don't get to try it today, make sure and try it over the weekend for sure. So something for you guys to definitely give a try and send me pictures when you do, okay? So if you guys enjoyed this video, easy dessert right in the microwave, about a minute and you're making it, less than what, 2 minutes desserts, less than 3 minutes desserts if you want to check it like that. But they're good, they're really good. So thanks to your husband, of course, you know, he introduced me to this sweet stuff. Props to him, of course, and hope you guys enjoyed this video. Give it a try out, of course. Send me pictures when you do. Let me know what you think. Let me know what desserts you all make in the microwave. If you all make any at all, send me pictures. Thanks so much for watching, guys, and I will see you all in my next video.